Chemotherapy drugs are usually injected intravenously in a doctor's office or hospital. Now, a quarter of the 400 new anti-cancer drugs being developed are oral drugs. And today's Focus for the Cure, News Channel 5's Kelly Dunn reports that cancer patients must pay a much higher copay for the same drug in pill form.
In 2006, Susan Christoph was a sales rep for a large company. But when her cancer returned, she was forced to apply for disability, never dreaming that she would be denied.
There's no way. I had 2 holes in my hip. How could I not be disabled?
Susan wasn't giving up. She hired a lawyer who explained that the problem was the federal statute called ERISA, which allows the insurance company to decide for itself who is disabled.
What that means is the insurance company gives itself the discretion to determine who's eligible for benefits.
Susan was unable to work and had no way to pay expenses. To make matters worse, Susan learned that the statute has no penalty.
If they deny a claim and a court tells them that they now have to pay it, there are no additional damages that they will ever have to pay. There are no punitive damages if you lose your house because they denied your benefits. There is no incentive for the insurance company to do the right thing at the beginning.
It took Susan and her lawyer 2 years before the insurance company paid her.
Most people will go away. They're too sick to handle their own claim. They're too sick to put together an effective appeal.
They don't have to pay any penalties. They don't have to pay your family if you die during the process, even though they denied you. That's what needs to be changed with this law.
Kelly Dunn, WPTV News Channel 5.
Susan G. Komen for the Cure is introducing new legislation which, if passed, will require insurance companies to pay for oral chemotherapy drugs the same way they do for IV chemotherapy agents. For more information, contact the Susan G. Komen for the Cure helpline at 561-514-3020.